Alright, so we just had a snowstorm last night, and today me and Kyle have to go and get Eddie Jet diapers because we ran out of diapers and the kid is smelling like death. So we had to take my sister's car, which did look like this, and we have to drive through that, and yeah, we have to go to the store. So I'm gonna document this, and if we die, I love you guys and I'm sorry.
Hey, let me get a shout out to Mom, Dad, I love you. Nina, I love you too. That's all I need to say.
We made it to Drug Warehouse. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ow, what the heck, man? Quit. Wipe your feet off.
Dude, I've never been in here before.
It's been here for like 4 months.
I know, but I'm just saying I've never been in here before. The double A, we are ignition.
Ignition?
Ignition, I don't know.
Is that a word? We are ignitioned.
Ignited.
There you go.
Ignited. We are ignited.
That's the word we were looking for.
Yay, guys!
Yay! You get a cookie.
Really?
No. It's like New York.
But busier.
Hey, Papa. You saw me. Good one.
Yeah, good guy again.
Yeah, go Kyle again. You get 2 cookies now.
Really?
No.
Dang it. Stop it.
Got me again. It looks like one of those pre-made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, you know? Just come here and you know what I mean. You know, like those Crustables, you ever had those?
Yeah.
This looks like one. Because you know how the corners of them are all like cringed down?
Dude, that's crazy.
It looks like a little Crustable.
Looks like a pie.
This looks like a pie!
This might break their trampoline, dude.
Okay, you better stop.
Oh god, that slipped off.
That could have gotten ugly.
Come on, people. We got stuff to do.
You look great.
Right. Jerk!
Sorry,
Quit!
dude.
Stop putting crap in my hair! I don't care, it still feels like you're putting crap in my hair. Oh, look at Haley, she's sleeping. Yeah, I know what you're doing over there.
Secret's out, Kyle. You're not so much of a Greek god anymore.
What? I didn't do this story.
Okay. What?
What?
We're not doing anything.
What? Hold on, no, for real. Let me see the back.
What was that for?
I have no idea.
Ha ha, very funny, Kyle.
What?
Now I can't find it.
Find what? I didn't put anything in your hair, I promise.
Okay.
Hey, crosses count, right?